LHI, I love that name. We're really happy to be working with LHI. Great company. The past couple of years, they're actually new in the business. Nice to see young people get started in the world of home improvements and offering services that are so needed in today's landscape. They took on a project of refurbishing a deck. There's an existing deck. The deck had a long life already, 5/4 board pressure treated decking boards. The foundation was in good shape, but the deck boards were looking a little haggard, beat up, and they needed some love. So they came to the rescue. LHI offered a complete restorative solution. Rather than just cleaning a deck and preparing it for stain, it would have still been the old boards underneath. They would have still had the old screws there popping out and or nails. They decided, hey, you know what? Why not look at this in a way that would allow us to get rid of those old 2x2 balusters, replace them, and change up the look without spending a lot of money. And this is really, I think, a nice way to look at a deck restoration. So if you've got 5/4 board on your deck or whatever your material happens to be, once it starts deforming and splitting and nails and screws start to pop up, you know it's time to get a makeover. So LHI offered some really premium upgrades without a high cost. Homeowner was really pleased. They were able to completely refurbish the deck from an old haggard deck to a nice fresh look and feel that'll last for years to come.